Another story that my grandmother did not tell me, that my father told me later, is that while they were in Poland, my grandfather made a living by playing violin, and he would play at dances or various things. So he was hired to play for the Polish army soldiers who were having like a party, and they were getting drunker and drunker. And he was playing by himself, the violin. And as they got more and more drunk, they got more and more abusive. And finally, they took out their guns and they made him strip naked, and they shot at his feet so they could see the Jew dance. This is the story my grandmother never told me, but my father told me later. And so finally they got so drunk that they passed out, and my grandfather grabbed his clothes and ran out into the snow and survived that encounter.